Seeing a red light on your BT Smart Hub can be worrying, but don't panic. It's simply the Hub's way of telling you there's a problem with your connection. In most cases, it's a quick fix you can do yourself. Let's get started. Step 1. Check all cable connection. First, check all cables. Make sure the power and broadband cables are securely plugged in. If any are loose, reconnect them and wait 2 minutes. Wait for the light to settle. This can take up to 5 minutes. If the light stays red after 5 to 10 minutes. Next, restart your hub, press the power button for 10 seconds, then turn it back on. Wait for the light to settle. If the light stays orange, check for outages in your area. Visit BT Service Status page or use the BT Smart Hub app for updates. Still no luck? Try a factory reset modem. Locate a small recessed reset button back a modem. Press the recessed reset button with a paperclip for 15 seconds to factory restore settings. Note this erases your Wi-Fi settings after factory reset. Find default login details printed on the sticker and set up your modem again as per your internet configurations. Now, if you downloaded configuration backup, restore the configuration. Once the light turns blue, you're back online. If the issue persists, contact BT support for further help. That's it. Hopefully, this has helped you get back online. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe channel to get more tech guide. Thanks for watching.